Hello and welcome to the Whiskyfile. Today, our first whiskey on the Minute Review, humorously, is the Suntory Toki. I've talked about this whiskey before. This whiskey is a bit harsh for my tastes. It was the first Japanese whiskey I ever bought, and they tend to lean towards Speyside mild sweetness or Highland fruitiness. This one tries a mixture of both, and what intrigued me were the basil notes that it had, but I could never get past its bitterness and aftertaste. Having it on the rocks does mellow it out and leaves behind the sweetness, so I highly recommend doing that if you do get this. I also kept mine in the fridge to keep it chilled, which was perfect. Allegedly meant for a highball, but I often found myself enjoying the soda by itself more than with the whiskey. I give this 3 barrels out of 10. It can't compete with better whiskeys, even from Suntory Distillery, and at $35 or so, there's better stuff out there for cheaper. If you want good Japanese whiskey, there is better out there as well, but you'll rarely find cheaper from the land of the rising sun. Well, that's my take on Toki, so I'm gonna finish off my bottle, raise a glass to you, and thank you for listening as we go through and review the Whiskyfile. Cheers.